Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. I'm Sunshine with all your radio show. You're watching but on URTV.
Yo. Good morning, Breakfast Club. Dr. Booby News. You see, I'm enjoying vacation. Not shaving, enjoying a beautiful view. A little wet outside today. But Tokyo, we brought up 32 points. London first bell bought up 20 points. London second bell, we sold for 30 points. Indexes are all down. The market's been not moving a whole lot so far since Sydney. Commodities are all down. U.S. dollar is weak. Futures are up. So hopefully it correlates to the market moving up a little bit. U.S. government bonds, the 10-year bond is down. Like you say, I'm tracking that to kind of see how the bond affects the movement of the market. Last couple of days, it's not been going together. So I keep tracking and monitoring that. Nothing on the Forex Factory News or Bloomberg or Yahoo Finance, nothing big going on right now. Delta variant affecting global market, things like that. But tomorrow, one of my favorite days in the market. NFP report, woo-woo! An hour and 15 minutes before the bell rings, NFP report comes out. That's one of my favorite days. I will be ready, guaranteed. But until tomorrow, you have a blessed day. Happy trading.
Good morning, everyone. I hope that you are ready for the day. Thank you, Dr. Booby, with the news. Let's go ahead and get our morning started. How are you out there in live stream land? Can you please go ahead and drop where are you tuning in from today? What city, what state, what country are you in? Those of you who don't know me, I'm Dr. LA, and I am one of the hosts of the Breakfast Club, and we are getting ready to trade the New York session. Now, if you have never traded the New York session before, you are definitely in for a treat. I feel there is nothing in the world like that New York bell. Nothing is going to give you an adrenaline rush other than when that bell rings and those charts start running up and running down, okay? There's a lot you can accomplish in just a few minutes with the New York bell. So welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. Where are you tuning in from? We want to know. Talk to us in the comments. Now, I want to give some instructions for new traders. If you are new, we trade something called indices, okay? Those are your stock indexes, and they move very fast and they pay very well, but just as easy as you can gain money, you can lose. So I always tell people demo, because it's like riding a wild stallion to me, okay? And you definitely want to make sure that you catch the rhythm. All right, let's go ahead and check in with our other co-host, the PIP Master. He is on a world tour as usual, and I'm just so grateful that he can grace us with his presence. This is my brother. This man is a genius, and I don't think he gives himself half the credit. But what I love about him the most is his heart for people and to educate people. But he lives his life in balance. He makes sure that he goes to see his family and that he takes care of those that he's training. So if you want to be trained by the PIP Master, I definitely encourage you to tap in. Good morning, PIP Master. How are you? Happy Tuesday.
Happy Tuesday, Dr. L.A.P.
PIP Master, what part of the world are you in?
I'm in the Midwest. I'm in St. Louis, my home, where I'm from, where I was born and raised.
St. Louis Arches, guys. He's got strategies named after St. Louis. It's actually my favorite strategy, actually. Whenever you see that St. Louis Arch coming into play, it's time to get paid. Okay?
Absolutely.
How are you feeling? Are you feeling refreshed today?
Yeah, kind of. Early morning for me, because now I'm in the Midwest where I'm an hour behind.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm still trying to adjust.
Oh, you poor thing. Is it anything like being on the West Coast?
No.
Hour behind. I'm not trying to hear nothing you got to say.
I know you're not. It's even worse when I go to California. It's horrible. I'm up at 4 o'clock in the morning when I'm in California and I'm mad.
Exactly. It's a beautiful thing, though. I'm still like on East Coast Atlanta time. Always. I don't know why. And then when it's late there, I go to sleep here, and it's early here. I'm still on Atlanta time.
You go to sleep?
Yeah. You know what? Whatever. Yes, I do go to sleep. Yes.
Okay.
When I need rest, I get my rest. Now, speaking of Atlanta, guys, we have with us Sunshine Rays. Now, I love Sunshine. She is a phenomenal trader. You know, she came in here, had no clue, but she has really, really learned how to master this skill. And if you want to get paid today, you better listen to everything she has to say. Good morning, Sunshine, baby. How are you?
Good morning. Hello from ATL.
Good morning from the ATL. It's always a pleasure, isn't it?
It is. It is. I might not be able to be here every day, but when I'm here, I'm here.
And we are so happy to have you. You know what? We're going to start off with you this morning because you've been up a little bit more than me and Yarnell possibly. And why don't you go ahead and give us your NAS analysis? Go ahead.
So I've been looking at the news today and just reading up on NAS. And one thing that I noticed was that they are, if you're into pivots and resistance and support like I am, they're calling the support and resistance for NAS. Where's my paperwork at? So I can look at this. I don't want to lie to you guys. Hold on.
Your screen is doing something kind of funky too.
It's like the Matrix.
Yeah, I've got it's like a ghost in the system. I don't know.
Yeah, it's looking quite ghostly.
Yeah, it's a thing. It's a thing. I don't know if it's me, if I have just so much energy that it just, takes over, but whatever. I know, right? Okay. Give me 2 seconds. Let me find this support and resistance.
Go ahead and look at that. We're just talking about our overall trends, and then we'll get into it a little more.
Oh, okay.
But while Sunshine is doing that, we're really grateful to have Sunshine. Sunshine's going to do that. She's going to get your trades ready. Today, guys, we're going to tell you our ideas, okay? And my idea may be I see US 30 moving up 30 pips right now, okay? That's my idea. That's between me and those who are on the segment, all right? You can make your own analysis and then make your decision from there. Now, we have another phenomenal trader out there. What I love about this young lady is I said, hey, can you start looking at XRP? And she was like, yes. And she fell in love with XRP. And I said, baby, there's some other places where the money reside, okay? $6.6 trillion per day. I want you to start looking at Euro NZD. And off the bat, she was able to call those trades and go immediately in profit. We call her Kim is Golden. Good morning, Kim. Good morning. How are you, love? Oh my gosh. If only you would turn on that microphone. Thank you.
I caught it.
Good morning, babe.
Good morning.
Hi.
How is everyone? Hey, accountability partner. Accountability partner.
Hey, cut all that out.
What did she say? Y'all need us to step out.
You love the people you make money with. You love the people you make money with.
Exactly. It's just a genuine feeling now, isn't it? Thank you.
I get it.
Okay, thanks.
I like the earrings, Kim. I like the earrings.
Thank you.
I have to go get my hair done this morning, so I'm wearing a hat, and I don't care. Okay, this is what COVID. This is what COVID would do to you. You would never see me without hair, eyes, and makeup, and now look at me. Look at me, a mother with a hat on. Goodness gracious.
Yeah, I had to put a little
life together. Get your life together, Dr.
Get your life, boo.
Kim, what you looking at? Talk to us.
I'm looking at gold. Gold has got my eye right now.
Yes, Gold is giving us a little drop back, isn't she? Let her hit that 50 and turn around, though, Gold. Because I got some people buying gold right now.
Yeah, she was playing in a zone from, all night, 1811 to 1808, all night. So I'm looking for that. She bought up, sold down. Definitely looking at our other strategies and tools that are calling for a sale on higher time frames.
Now, I'm familiar with that tool. So, what chart are you looking at? Time frame, I guess is what I'm saying.
The 4 hour, and I just got a green arrow, but I had a red arrow for
Let me tell you something. And then, guys, those of you who don't know, what we're talking about is colors. And I'm just going to go ahead and say it. Colors. If you don't have a color scanner, you need to get your life in 2021. Guys, I put in several trades on colors before I went to sleep, and every last single one of my trade hit, okay? So that little strategy yesterday on the arrow in the box, baby. Good night. Now, that's beautiful when you can put in the trade and go to sleep and not be waking up to check it. Although I did wake up to check it. That's how I know it hit. Let's go ahead and look at our forecast. Okay, now those of you in Facebook world, please make sure that you have this chart. This is going to tell you what is going on with your pairs, okay? They're always trying to sell me something. Am I the only person who feels like I bought more stuff because of social media these days than, goodness gracious. I don't want to see any purses right now.
Listen.
We got the US dollar right here, guys. It's in a consolidation in a sell mode. We got Euro, JPY, and GBP giving us some buy action. CAD is in a consolidation, and the rest of the currency are in a buy mode. Gold and silver do have sell momentum. Gold is currently at 18.15, and silver is at 25.56. US 30, who we're going to trade in just 15 minutes, is in a consolidation for the buy, brothers and sisters. S&P, NASDAQ as well, all right? So the things that we like right now are in buy momentums, all right? PIP Master, anything else you want to say about this chart?
No, it's you basically covered it very fast.
Well, no, it's here. It's here, guys. You've got to get this chart. Somebody drop it in the Facebook comments so that they make sure that they have it. I love this. And if I look at a trade and it don't line up with this, guys, I don't even trade it anymore because this has been quite accurate for me. So I like it. Now, Pitmaster, go ahead and talk to us about GBP USD. We said that we would get in a month-long trade. So let's go ahead and talk about our month-long trade on GBP USD. Educate us.
So I have been going, of course, to the much higher time frames when it comes to trying to figure out if, in fact, a trade is going a certain way for that time frame, right? For a day, for a week, for a month. So when I go to the month chart, I'm looking at, okay, where is GBP USD and where has it gone? Where is it going? Right? Based on past movement, GBP, the candle that we're sitting on for the month of, where are we in, August? That candle is above the last red sell candle, right? And not only that,
it looks like it pulled back a little bit, though. Are you looking at it?
Yeah, it did. It pulled back some.
Okay.
But for now, it's sitting. It already hit. It already hit the 50, and it looks like it's trying to head towards my 200 line because it's in between the 50 and the 200 line on my month chart. When I scale back to the week chart, it's sitting above the 50. So it bounced off the 50 already, which gives me this W momentum off of the week chart. So it looks like it wants to create a W. If it does, in fact, want to create a W, we're looking at it coming to 1-4. Let's see, what is this right here? Is that 142? 14211. Because my chart is always off. 142091.
091.
Yeah, 142091 on the week chart. When I go scale back to the day chart, let's see. Yeah, when I scale back to the day chart, 1420, same thing. It's consolidating on the day chart, which is still giving me buy momentum because it's just above the 50 on the day chart. It's actually at 55.18, which has plenty of room to go. Scale back again to the 4-hour chart. Same thing. It's above the 50, which is good on that chart. So I got 3 charts in the same. So far, 3 charts and confirmation are in sync. And I like that. Now I got the 4th chart. When I go to the 1-hour chart, it is above the 50 and the 200 on the 1-hour chart. So a lot of indicators are saying, yes, it's going to bounce off the 50 on the 15-minute chart, right? It's sitting at the 44 line. I actually dropped down to 42 on the 15-minute chart, and it should, it's going to pull back only because it needs to reset itself to push up even higher. So, and then lastly, the 1-minute chart, it is oversold. So what does that tell us? We know that when it's oversold, we know that it's going to buy up. So that's why we are in a buy on the GU for the next 30 days or less, depending on when you want to get out. But we should be really, really well in profit in the next couple of weeks, depending on how the market shifts. If not, your stop loss should definitely be in effect.
All right. Well, so we're going to test that. Those of you who are new, you're going to test that in your demo. All right. And we want to see, I'm going to ride the full 30 days because I just want to test and see. I am one of those people that typically when I see the market shoot up, I like to take my money because I know it's going to drop back down and I just want to take it as many times as I possibly can. Kim, I did a long-term trade on Euro NZD for a sale. This sucker is not selling, baby. All right, this thing is buying. I'm upside down only $30, but I still, I don't appreciate it. Okay, because if I got in for a sale, I got in for a reason. I got in at 68.73. So I'm going to go back and have a look at that analysis again. All right. Thank you for that, PIP Master. Sunshine, what you got, boo? What you got?
I was just looking at EJ, and EJ was running nicely. So I dropped some information for everyone, and it hit my resistance. And I went ahead and scalped that little bit of money real quick before it decided to do something else. Just snatch that up.
EJ or UJ?
EJ.
EJ. All right.
And now I just had an alarm go off on my AJ, a trade that I called has activated. So we're going to see if AJ goes ahead and pays attention. AJ is my problem child. She's like, she'll show up for me, but sometimes she'll just do what she want to do. Yeah. And I be having to look at her and be like, okay, okay, AJ, but she's definitely consistent with her movement. So I like that. I like consistency. Definitely like consistency. So I'm looking at AJ for a sale to the trend resistance. And I'm just going through my 5 or 6 little favorites, because you guys know it doesn't matter what you guys tempt me with. I stay with mine. I stay with mine. I will not be vexed by you, temptress.
Oh, wow.
Very tempting.
Oh,
it is
wow.
very tempting.
It is, but y'all won't get me. I stay with mine. I'm faithful.
I'm faithful. You have to be. You have to be in order to be profitable.
It is. And it's very difficult because sometimes you'll get people and they'll be like, oh, have you seen such and such? Have you seen gold? Nope. I haven't seen gold because I don't play with gold. I ain't looking at it. I don't play with it. Y'all not going to get me.
I don't know about that. Gold is running up, baby. Gold
I got to study it, though. I got to study it before I can play with it.
Oh, it does require some studying.
You got to study before you play with it. Yeah, so.
Kim, what you got, boo?
I dropped some numbers in the chat for gold to, we got 2 zones that it could go to. I'm still getting to where I'm going to call my pending sales and pending buys for buku pips, but I'm still in the zone right now. That's where my eyes can get it. So I attack that zone so I can make my goal. And on goal, we just take 1 point. So that's 10 pips. And
yes, it depending is. Eat it carefully.
On your right. And I'm also looking at dropping some Euro NZD numbers too, because she's consolidating right now. I got a nice doji.
Yeah, she's consolidating. Her breakout time is in 50 minutes.
Right.
Cool beans. Okay, PIP Master. Have you seen UCAD? Look at this, guys. UCAD looks to me like she wants to buy.
UCAD. Okay, so it's really strange because she's well oversold. She's at 83 in the RSI. But
do you see how she keeps actually coming there a little bit?
Yeah, well, it's in I drew a vector, like I don't know how long ago now, but let me see. I drew this vector. When is this? I drew this vector on the 29th of July. And I'm leaving it there. It literally is it hit the bottom of the vector, and now it's running right back up through the top. So, and also unusually, it's buying with GU while GU was buying. And then that's not really supposed to happen because, you have the US dollar, where the GBP is, the GU, this is the UCAD, right? It's supposed to be going opposite directions. They're not supposed to go in the same direction. Right? So, again, just like remember when silver and gold were going with the US 30 and the NAS?
Yep, they used to.
Right? And then it switched. That's kind of like what's happening now. And I don't know how long this is going to last where it actually goes with it, but it should not be going the same direction. It's almost impossible for that to happen, but it's happening. So yeah, UCAD, I got it going up to, if it does continue to buy up, I got it going up to about 125,703 and maxing out at 126,032.
Bless.
Go ahead.
And that's over the course of time. So 126,032 is where it's coming back to.
Okay, gotcha.
Okay, and it's completing the U.
All right, I'm looking at US 30 now. US 30 is starting to give us a little bit of buy momentum. It has come all the way down to the bottom of the RSI. And so it's looking like now it wants to begin to buy up. We have about 9 minutes before the bell gets ready to ring. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my colors analysis. Guys, we do use tools in addition to everything that we do. Because it only enhances. I really like using colors, guys, as an additional confirmation. In that additional confirmation, it helps, especially when you get in long term. I'm going to be focusing in the upcoming weeks on week-long trades. Week and day trades is what I'm going to be focusing a little bit more on. A little bit more of set it and forget it. All right, I'm going to have a look at US 30 really quickly on the hour chart. Where you got US 30 going?
For now, it has to make it above several things, but for now, I got it going to 34,955. It's not far from where it is now. It's only like 40 pips up. And then if it presses above that, then we're going to 34,995 up to 35,005. Back to the consolidation zone. Okay, that's where it's been consolidating in between 995 and 35,005. That's a 10 pip consolidation zone, and that's where it's been going back to.
I don't know why it is not loading. Is anybody having an issue with US 30 loading? Let me have a quick look at NAS over here on the 1 hour chart. NAS is giving me some strong buy momentum, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to go ahead and take this trade. Excuse me. This one right here is definitely looking like if it's going to hit it, it is definitely going to hit it during the bell. 15024. Yes, she's going to go up. Looks like she's going to do that, hit it during the bell, and then come back. Okay. Now, I didn't come for NAS. I came for US 30. Okay, now US 30. US 30 is giving me a little bit of sell direction here going on for her additional confirmation. She had some buy, but then she turned around and gave us some sell momentum. For the short term, we know that the bell can change all of that. All right, but she's definitely going to 34889 in the near future. And then she will possibly go to 34856. All right, we're off to the races. We're off to the races. I'm feeling good about that. What we do here is go. All right, yeah, that's a strong little sale momentum that's happening there. All right, very good. All right. Where did you say NAS? Where did you have NAS going, Sunshine? Did I miss that part?
Let me see. So what I'm working on right now is, NAS on my phone compared to my TradingView, it's off by about 30 points. So, think about it like that when you're looking at it at your MetaTrader. But I have some pivot points and some support and resistance. My highest resistance is at 15,022. And then my lowest support is at 14,945. And that's off of my NAS page that I like to look at and go to. And I like to just use those as balancing points compared to what I'm looking at. Right now, NAS doesn't have any resistance above her. So anybody who has taken my resistance class where I'm looking at it on different levels, NAS just broke through all of the resistance and it's below
so that
her.
means she should be taken off.
She should be taken off. I'm
Yay.
looking forward to her taking off. My high for NAS is 15,247. And
15,247. Oh gosh, that's super high.
Yeah, but I got that number from a special friend of mine.
Oh, okay.
So whenever he calls out numbers, I just put them up there and wait for him to go.
And he's sitting there wondering who you're talking about too.
Gotta get my.
I already know exactly what she's talking about. Why? Because Sunshine will say in a heartbeat. I got that from the PIP Master.
Oh God.
Got to get my little bad kid face. I be listening.
Oh my God.
So I'm definitely waiting for that. I will be dropping zones as NAS kind of gives me a better indication of like alignment. I like it when it's, at least like 10 off. But right now it's like 30 off. So it's like it's throwing me off just a little bit.
But it typically kind of does that right before the bell, really primarily on those buys. And it's very annoying. Yeah, 3 minutes. It's very annoying. So, all right, guys, get ready. The market is getting ready to start racing. We're going to pay close attention to US 30, NAS 100, and gold. Okay, now gold normally gives us a better push-up by now, and she has not given us the best push-up, but it is okay. Let's see what they do in just a moment. Again, we are trading US 30, NAS 100. NAS 100 on your broker may be EdTech. US 30, maybe US 30 index. So we encourage you to kind of look at the market, make your analysis, and then we can go from there. All right.
Where's our silver guru?
Driving.
Oh, driving. Because Silver.
How is Silver doing? I did see him backstage, but he's not there right now.
Okay. Silver
so maybe he'll be back.
Creating a doji, but if Silver does pull this move off, Silver will go to 25,628.
Oh, okay. Well, let's check in. Good morning, Isaiah. How are you?
Good morning.
There he is.
How is everyone?
What's up, brother Isaiah?
I can't complain. All is well. Happy Tuesday.
Happy Tuesday to you as well. Brother. We want to catch your silver analysis. We only have about a minute before the market begins to run.
Well, long and short, silver is staying within a zone. I overheard what Yarnell had stated. I am in agreement. However, I have a peaking at 25.95, bottom 24.48.
All right, very good. Well, on US 30, thanks so much for that. On US 30, we've got a flat bottom here for the momentum going up. I'm actually in US 30 for a sale because I'm expecting US 30 to turn around in just a moment, pull back, and then push up. She is above the PIP 50, so we should get some good movement on her. And be able to see some things. So let's see what US 30 wants to do. And then we'll check in again with Nas in just one moment. Okay. So I think we're looking good. We're looking good. We have alarms set for Euro NZD, and we have 1 minute. Those of you who are new, we are trading on the 1 minute time frame, okay? But we are doing our analysis from the higher time frames, and it looks to me like the bell is getting ready to ring. You see this is pushing up and pushing down, and there is my doji, and then I want to watch her on my other screens as well. All right. So she's pushing up for the buy. We do not trade on dojis. These are called dojis, where the market is going both ways. It's very dangerous for you to trade here. This is when your money in your account goes poof, just like that. Poof. It doesn't even have to be a loud kabang. It's just a poof. All right. And it's all bad. All right. I got in NAS for a buy based on a 1 hour chart on colors, and my buy is taking profit. Yes, NAS, baby. Yes. Okay. Of course, I'm pretty sure NAS is going both ways because that's what NAS does now, doesn't she? Anybody else in NAS? Sunshine, are you in NAS?
Oh, I'm definitely in NAS for a buy.
All right. Yeah, I'm in NAS for a buy as well. Let me pull up my NAS chart. I don't know why it's not over here.
And I'm over here trying to look for a good place to get back into EJ. Oh, 129.
1 second here. NAS 100. What are you in, PIP Master? You look like you're staring deeply into a chart. It's oh goodness gracious! Did y'all see NAS just fell from the sky?
Yeah, I'm looking at GU. All right, so for the reversal, so I can get a better entry. So I had a stop loss in profit on my GU. So I'm waiting on that one to turn so I can get back in, because normally GU goes with US 30. Today it's on its own tangent, like I said.
Oh, why, GU? We need you to be on the same page.
Yep, it has been doing exactly what. But no worries. I mean, the 4 hour chart still has it with the buy. Now we can get a better entry for the GU. So it should flip here for the buy.
Mm-hmm. All right, NAS is giving us a push down for the sale right now. There we go. US 30 is still going both ways. All right, let's see what they want to do. What do you want to do? I'm going to look at it here. All right, Kim, how you doing out there?
I'm good. My gold sell zone activated. I'm dealing with a little pullback, but based on a higher time frame, I'm looking that she should push down. I was hoping she would buy up and then push down. We're looking at a sell right now.
Gotcha. It looks like they're all giving us a little bit of sale momentum. And NAS is oversold, guys, so she should be coming back up on that buy in just a moment. Put my 50 in my RSI. Always add a 50 to your RSI. US 30 is coming down for the sale. Now I am in US 30 for a sale.
Oh wow!
Let's see if she wants to go ahead and pay me my money.
Price rejection zone coming.
All right, where's the price rejection zone at on US 30?
We got it at 34872.
34872.
That's a price rejection zone. So they're all doing the same thing.
They are. Isn't that interesting that they're all moving in the same way? They are. Get your life, okay?
That's interesting. How is that possible? Even UCAD is going that direction. That's interesting.
UCAD, okay. We want you to be on your best behavior. I don't care what UCAD does, guys. UCAD is buying. In real life, this is called pullback. And as you can see, we don't have no heart attacks over here around pullback.
And there's silver making its debut.
And there is US 30 doing what color said. Can somebody hear the goat screaming goated?
I can hear him screaming.
Oh my God, this one right here almost just gave me gallstone bladders. Baha. Goodness gracious, laughing so hard. All right, this is a solid sale here on NAS, guys. This is solid. She's pushed down. NAS, you better turn around and come up and give me my money so that I can ride sales. US 30 is playing and giving us a doji right here. Don't do it, all right? Look over here.
Oh, wow. I just noticed something. on my phone. US 30 is riding in between a zone that I marked a while back. It's 34,919 to 34,894. It literally hit both of them. That's a nice zone.
Your friend right here looked like she wanted to push on all the way down.
Yeah, 25 pips.
I don't care what NAS does. You're going to come back up and pay me.
Yeah,
you said 25 pips where? What's the zone?
34,919, 0.5 to be exact, to 34,894.1.
34 to, okay.
Yeah, and it's just, it did a perfect one just now. It did a perfect one in between that zone just now. 3 times so far, 3 candles.
Well, y'all better get that zone. He's giving out pips. Yeah. What is a zone? A zone is where the market is going to go up and down. So what we typically do, look, give me my money, US 30. I don't have time to play with you. Push on down, baby.
It's coming to the price rejection zone.
Price rejection and pay. Ooh, yes, yes, yes. Those of y'all who got that magnetic tool, why don't you go ahead and look at US 30 on that 1 hour chart, baby? Yes! Run, Forrest, run. Yeah, she coming right down to the box, baby. Coming right down to the green. Look.
I don't know what
sorry. I see you. I see you.
Nobody's listening to me. I've hit off a NAS 4 times on this. You're not
Well, go ahead and hit. Go ahead and hit. I have to redo this banner because this banner is kind of cray. Wait a minute. Let me move you guys around so that I can fix your heads and in your chin and all kind of crazy stuff.
I'm trying to get you paid. I'm hitting.
All right, let's go. Talk to us in the Facebook comments. It's only one way to get in this trade right now, guys. It's for a sale, right? It's very clear that is the direction this market is moving. Now, NAS, DeVille, is turning around to give us our money, okay? I'm not about to have no heart attack with NAS this morning. I looked at that 1 hour chart, and I'm not stressed about you.
NAS is in my zone. I dropped the zone in the chat. NAS is in my zone. It has hit on this zone 4 times already. It's hit on this zone 4 times. I've gotten paid. I was able to catch 2 of them.
Look at this zone. I don't see no zone. I just see a whole bunch of talking. Who hit? 985 to 975 is the zone. All right, let's see.
Right.
All right, US 30 is still pushing down. Oh my gosh, guys. I just love watching US 30 on colors because I'm just watching her come exactly to where she has forecasted to go. Now go ahead and pay me my money back. We only got about 2 more pips. Okay.
Now she hit the price rejection zone.
Let's see if she pushed past it.
So you should have gotten paid off of
You said it was 7.9 on KOT. It's 8.9.
34,872.
34,872. Okay.
EJ that I called should be in profit. That EJ I called is in profit.
And the URNZD is hitting entry right now for the buy. It's 697 to 698.
AJ that I called is in profit as well. AJ that I called is in profit as well.
Very good. Very good.
Make sure you guys secure your bag. Don't let it go out of profit. All profits are good profits, and AJ is running. I have a TP1 and a TP2. I gave you AJ for a little space, so and it just hit TP1. Bow. Gotta love it. This is so fun.
Sunshine. What we were talking about yesterday. Were you in that buy?
I got out.
Oh.
I got out, reset, came back. I'm doing good. I'm doing good.
We just talked about that yesterday, and I'm yet holding on over here.
Nope. I'm gonna do good this week. I'm gonna do good this week. I'm gonna do very good this week.
But Nas coming back. Nas is coming back, so
yeah.
I got Dr. LA in my head. Like, I ain't taking Nas for no sale.
Hey. Well, go through and look at your history and see if I'm lying. Go through and look at the history. But look here, guess what? Wait, hold up. Wait a minute. Let me put some boom in it. Gold is running up. running up.
Yeah.
US
So
30.
it's
I am
silver.
still in this US 30 trade. Let me tell you what I'm taking this US 30 trade for. And you see she's about to pay me. Do you see what I'm saying? Ain't no stress over here. Look at Naz. Naz had to push down so that she could pull up. Okay.
I hit on Naz again.
Let's go. That zone is killing it. Look at this. US 30 is paying me. Bam. US 30 just paid me $53 off 10 cent. Holla.
Let's
Okay?
do it. Let's do it.
Let me tell. I told y'all today, if y'all get colors and you don't make $50, then cancel it. Okay, but I just made $50. All right, $53.49 off of 10 cents to be exact, and I'm just getting started here. Thank you, US 30. Thank you, US 30.
Naz right there again. Hold on, it's about to activate. I'm gonna get my money again. I had to raise my lot size on this one. Let's go.
Sunshine, that's not what we're teaching the people live, baby.
You right. Risk
management. Risk management.
Well,
not one person. Do not raise your lot size. That's how you blow it.
No, my lot size was 0.01 because I was trading off of something else. I had to go back.
Yeah, keep it at 0.01 and KOT. That's good enough. Look at this. Goodness gracious, guys! Stop. Look at US 30. Holla, US 30 chef is coming down to 34781. That is the next barrier.
And I got another, which was Walmart. Do you remember Walmart?
Oh yeah, Walmart. Yeah.
So it's coming back to Walmart.
Going to Walmart.
And if it really wants to, it's going to go back to home, which is 34707.
Yo, gold is at 12.63. Let's go, gold. Pay my people.
That's in my zone.
Pay my people. Very good. All right, we're looking good here, guys. We hope you're having some fun. Talk to us in the Facebook comments. Let me go ahead and check in with our Facebook Live.
Hi, Facebook family.
How are you guys? Let's check in. We want to make sure that you guys are able. You said, how can you share? Can you drop the link again? I don't know what that means. How can you share what? Our live? They have to be in the group. And I'm sorry, I have about 100 applications right now, but I will get to them. I will. All right, look at this buy. Look at Naz. Where you at? Come on, Naz. Go ahead and give me my money. Gold is giving my money. I got 4 gold trades in and Colossus. As we say in Dubai. It is finished. I am done trading for the day. Let's go. I'm waiting on my gold money. Let's go. My gold money looking nice.
Yeah, silver's buying up pretty good.
Oh, where is Brother Isaiah? Sorry, Brother Isaiah. Go ahead.
Yes, I put.
Go ahead and join the party.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you clear as day.
I was muted. Oh my God, I was talking.
You weren't muted. You are not on stage. So when you come on stage, then everybody can hear you.
You know, I'm having these issues talking to these inanimate objects. You know, I'm so used to interacting with life.
Oh.
But I just placed silver for 2 points. Anyway, so she's up. She's buying.
All right, silver is buying up, and Isaiah has given you guys in the private chat. Yes, the silver trade. Those of you who want to join our private chat, please message us at Black Forex and Stock Traders. Now, somebody's microphone is giving me a little bit of feedback, so that's why I have to push it out. Let's go ahead and check in with the DIY Investment Diva. Our segment is getting ready to come to an end, so we want to check on our hot topics, see how she is doing with her trades. Good morning, Diva. How are you?
Doing fantastical and splastical. No.
Well, that's wonderful. Are you in any trades yet?
I am, absolutely. I've been in gold, hitting on gold, and then now I'm in not US 30, I'm in NAS. So I'm looking at her doing a quick little turnaround.
Yes, and as you can see, gold keeps hitting that 1813.
Yes.
And what I tell people is when that thing pulls back, you can put that trade in all over again.
And that's exactly what I've been doing.
Let's just keep getting paid. Let's just keep compounding.
Gold is my new bestie.
Yes, it is. It's easy to compound small accounts with gold and with silver. Okay, guys, but don't be greedy because they will drag you by one ponytail on the playground. Okay, so don't do it. Don't do it.
Yes, indeed.
And this is that week because this is am I saying it right, Yarnell? NFRP or NFP? With all the reports.
Yes. Excuse me. Yes, it's I'll tell you exactly what it is.
Gosh, dang, I knew I should have took that US 30 for some more pips.
Well, I got one in the chat, by the way.
Oh, you did,
man.
y'all better catch it. Look at it. It's at I see her at 748. I see her at 748. I see her at 748. This girl done fell to the ground. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, it's so beautiful. God, this is let me make it bigger. Oh, they can't even see. I'm so sorry, guys. Let me let you see. I want you to see how beautiful it is. Look how beautiful this nice little drop is. It's just consistent. It's a nice little ride. Some of y'all thought she was buying. I told you we got the secret sauce called colors, and I knew she was selling, and I knew where she was selling to, and she's still paying glory. It's a beautiful thing. Oh, I love it. 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 All right. So there we have US 30. NAS is pushing up on the doji. I am in profit on NAS, but I would like for NAS to give me all my money. I am in profit on my gold trades. I would like for you to give me all my money. Now, Kim, do you see she's bouncing between 812 and 813?
Yeah, that's my zone. I dropped 1250 to 1350. That's the top of my trend line on the 4 hour.
And they should have hit on that.
Oh, okay. Let's go. If you guys are hitting, let us know. Okay, this is the move I was waiting for on NAS to push out of here. Some of your mics is giving a little feedback, so I muted some of your mics. I'll unmute you in a moment. So here we go. US 30 black lines. Have you guys been using my black line strategy? Let me tell you something. It don't lie. All right. I put that black line here. She pushed through that black line, baby. I'm getting in that trade again. Now, NAS is extremely oversold. So I'm gonna wait for her to pull back. And she
made it to Walmart.
30. Made it to Walmart. Pulls back. I'm getting back in. Look at this. I love when my screen is blue. I love when my screen is blue.
Yeah.
Guys, if she pulls back.
In profit on NAS.
Woo, look at NAS. Bam, 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 bam.
Let's go, sunshine.
Let's go. I'm riding NAS all the way to 24. I'm riding at a 24. Give me my money.
Now,
let's go.
US 30 just gonna pull back a little bit, but it looked like she wants to go back home, guys.
Oh, is she ready to go back home?
It looked like she wants to go back home to 34,707.
I want to see if she wants to go back home or if she wants to reset and keep riding. Maybe she's going to Target today because Walmart is not necessarily the store to be shopping at.
Well, that's where she likes to go. I'm sorry.
But we're not mad at her. We're not mad at her. All right. Well, I'm in profit on everything. So while we make these last few dollars, DIY Investment Diva, go ahead and hit us with the hot topics.
Absolutely. So even though it's not a hot topic, just because we're talking about Walmart and Target, Walmart is going to pay for its employees to go to school, college.
Oh, wow.
School. And you don't have to be there for 3 months to qualify. Like the minute you sign the dotted line and say, I work for you, Walmart, you will then qualify to get your college tuition paid. All right.
Wow. I wonder what the agreement is, because normally when a corporation pays, you owe them, right? So I pay for you to get a 4-year degree, but you owe me 4 years of service, or you pay me back.
That's exactly what it is. That's how, I got a scholarship for that the same way as well. I was indebted to the state of Florida as an educator.
Yes,
for about 3 years because I got a scholarship. So I'm sure you have to do it, but definitely.
But you know what? I'm glad that you brought that up too, because I was listening to the news and they were talking about. Remember, I was being funny last week about the $50,000 worth of debt that a lot of people have, and they haven't even earned their college degree. And I never even thought about that. Like the majority of people that are in debt have not earned their degree. They went, but they didn't finish, and they're paying for a degree that they never received. I want to say that I know we're trading, and a lot of us feel I wish I'd have learned how to trade in high school, right? Because I probably never even thought about going to college. But nevertheless, those of us who have gone, that is the reason why I got my doctorate degree, because I had started. It took me 7 years to finish my degree. I had started, and then I just was so tired, and life was happening, and I had stopped. But then I realized I was paying for a degree I did not have. I don't know who that is a reminder for. It is never too late to go back and finish what you started. If I'm paying for it, I'm gonna need the piece of paper. So that is why I went ahead and said, oh no, y'all gonna have to give me what I'm paying for.
All of that.
Gracious. I'm paying this money, and I had to have a talk with myself. I don't know who it's for. It's never too late to go ahead and finish what you started, especially if you're paying for it. Okay. All right. Amen. Go ahead.
Oh, no worries. Yeah, that wasn't even my hot topic, but I mean, I heard the word Walmart, and I just heard that story yesterday, so I definitely wanted to share. Yeah. So also we have the El Salvador president. I'm not sure because this is a little bit of this is news that I missed, but it's happened already. The El Salvador president has declared Bitcoin as legal tender in his country. Okay.
Oh, go ahead.
Yeah. So he says that, first of all, he's a huge fan of Bitcoin. And so he said that 70% of Salvadorians don't even have access to a bank account or financial services. So he said that is a huge deal. Bitcoin has made it so easy, of course, to transfer money from country to country and do so many different things. So he has he posted a Twitter picture of himself with like laser eyes, and on his podium there was a big Bitcoin seal. Like he's like, hey, Bitcoin is legal tender here in El Salvador. We're accepting it and embracing it. And then also, I thought it was pretty cool, and I'm obsessed with, and I wish I could show you guys a picture. Oh, my tray just hit.
I'm just looking at this sucker right here. Like,
I'm very excited about that. I was looking sad for a second. All right. Also, a crypto billionaire, and he is unnamed, has purchased a $83 million home that has 2 panic rooms, retinal scanner to get inside of the bedroom, and it is listed as one of the second highest purchases.
I'm sorry. What do you need in order to get into the bedroom?
A retinal scanner. Like you got to put your eyes. Oh, that's bedroom eyes.
Oh, them bedroom eyes. You ain't ready. You can't come in here.
God, that's so corny. But you need a retinal scanner to get in the bedroom. It's the second highest real estate purchase in the history of California. Okay,
it would be California.
The house before he purchased it, it used to rent for $350,000 a month.
That is probably down the street in the cleft of the rock, okay? Because there's some sick houses in the cleft of the rock down the street over here.
And I share that to say, people making money on crypto.
Hey. Well.
And also, Forbes listed that in 2020, there were only 4 crypto billionaires, and there are now currently 12 crypto bill because there's lots of millions, but there are 12 crypto billionaires. So from 2020 to now 2021, the rise from 4 crypto billionaires to 12 crypto billionaires.
I know Rhoda is somewhere saying, let it be me. Let it be me. Let it be me. Let it be me.
Yes, but this house is fat. I'll show you guys a picture in our private chat.
Oh yeah, you're gonna have to drop it. You know what? We could have shared the screen so that we can share with the viewers.
Oh.
This is what crypto is getting. Yeah, go ahead. You can press share and I'll share it. This is what some crypto coins will get you. Now, crypto did a nice little run up, guys. I don't know if anybody had to do a little cash out, okay? When it runs up really high, I do a little cash out. And then when it drops really low, I do a little buy in, which is a beautiful thing, okay? And that's my banking system, to be quite honest with you. I need to pay for something, okay? And it worked out beautifully. Didn't it? And I'm expecting it to do it again. Once you press share, I'll be able to see it, and then I can put it on the screen.
Oh, okay.
All right, guys, we hope that you're doing good this morning, okay? The only person that's irritating me is Naz needs to push all the way up for my buy. US 30 is taking her little restroom break, okay? And how is silver? Did any of the silver trades hit with our knowledge? How are they doing? Ooh, come on now, gold. Gold is still at 1830, 1813.69. I'm in profit on a GBP USD sale, Yarnell.
Yes.
All right.
Now they're doing what they're supposed to do. They're doing the opposite. So UCAD has been buying up. The GU has been selling down, which, I'm not worried about anything. If you got in a GU with me, then you should have put your stop loss in profit it would have kicked you out, and then you could have done a reverse.
But are you talking about the month-long trade?
Yeah, the month loan. If you already,
I'm not talking about a month loan. I'm talking about short-term scalp.
A short-term scalp.
Yeah.
UCAD is still pressing. UCAD is still pressing the wallet, right? UCAD still wants to push up to at least 125,865.
Got you. I am in this. I think this. Oh my gosh, I am in a GBP sale, guys, and I did not put in a take profit. Well, that's why you're just running all the way up.
Do y'all see NAS?
Yeah, it looked like she fell off the planet, didn't she? Why do you want to behave like this, NAS 100?
Is that the house?
Yeah, Shaniqua is showing this house. Now, this is in California. Do you have the city? Am I correct? This is what our Bitcoin billionaire has purchased.
It is beautiful.
Oh, it is. Looks very, very, very nice. Nice and spacious. Can they show me where I can skin my eyes to enter the bedroom? Where does that happen? Oh, that's a nice old wine cellar as well.
I want to be this person's friend.
That looks like Southern California.
Right. I just want to visit.
I want to be their friend.
Exactly.
I watch too many conspiracy spy movies with a retinal scanner. You know, they'll have a whole little crew come out and
look at the car.
This is nice. Oh, that's the gym. Is there elliptical in there?
Health is wealth.
I assume that this place smells like Lemon Pledge.
Absolutely.
There's a lot of wood in here.
They're not using it. I told you it was in the cleft of the rock. I already knew, baby.
Is there a helicopter pad on the top?
Got to be. Got to be.
Because that's the only way you can.
I think a helicopter can land right there.
What in the heck?
That's you go outside and play golf, Neezy.
Ooh.
All right. Well, this is some motivation and inspiration.
Yeah.
On your trades. All right.
Lee Moses.
Y'all can come visit me in 2 years.
All right. One of my gold trades is already hit. Look, guys, what is up with me not putting in TPs today? I'm like, this trade is shortly ringing high. It's better run high than low. All right, that gold has hit for me. The only trade that I'm still in looking sideways is NAS 100, which has clearly sold down. I'm going to go ahead and take a quick look at NAS to see what is going on with you. Why are you behaving like this? She keeps turning around, pushing back up. I'm going to look at her on our other chart. Look, guys. Oh, goodness gracious. NAS is just get your life. But NAS on the higher time frame is still saying, don't you worry, Dr. LA, I'm going to pay you when I get ready to. I'm going to buy. All right. Very good. All right. Well, thank you guys so much for sharing the information, the knowledge. Thank you for helping everybody to catch some pips. Do you guys have any words of wisdom you want to give to our new traders out there? I have some for Kim. Euro USD is ready. Will you go ahead and look at that? All right. Let's go ahead with our words of wisdom to our new traders. Go ahead.
Well, I guess I'll start off.
Thank you. I appreciate exactly that part.
Hey, words of wisdom for the new traders. Don't allow some of the pitfalls of trading to discourage you. We all have them because, as you can see, the light is definitely at the end of the tunnel. And if you really take the time to concentrate on times for trading, right, then look at the consistency of the times that you like to trade and see how the market moves during those times, and know that it's very possible to be in and out of the market in about 30 minutes if you time everything just right. So it's very possible for you to meet your daily goal in a 30-minute to a 1 hour time frame. Very possible. But again, pay attention to the market, look at what is going on in the market, and look at those time zones for what currency pair or what indice you like to trade, and see if that's where the market is making the most money at that time, and that's where you get in. Also, lastly, make sure you set up your support and resistance. As you can see, Sunshine is one of the greatest students I've had in a while who mastered support and resistance.
Yeah.
So her lines look crazier than mine, and I haven't never said it about anybody else but Kim Torres. But yeah, her lines look way crazier than mine, but they work. All right. So learn the strategies and keep it moving, guys.
Thank you so much, PIP Master. All right, who's next?
I'll go next. I'm just going to play off of what PIP Master said. Just understand that as long as you understand where your support and resistance is, you can know where the trade is going. And as I was talking to my accountability partner yesterday, when the trade is not doing what you want it to do, make sure you are willing to get out, reanalyze, and get back in. Don't sit there and hold a trade and just sit up there and be sad and watching everybody else make money because your trade has locked up your account. Let's not do that. Let's get out the trade. You know, do not hold your TP as a destination. It is a thought. Sometimes it's not going to make it there. You know what I'm saying? But all profits are good profits. Get that money, secure that bag, get in, get out.
Very good. I like that. All TPs are not a destination. It's a thought or an idea, or you can say a prediction. I think is a great thing. I'm predicting that the market is going to go here, but if my prediction proves not to be what's happening, all right, then get out. I like that. I like that. Thank you so much, Sunshine. We definitely made some money with you this morning. All right. Who's next? Who's next? Go ahead, Diva.
I'm going to say to new investors or people who are interested in starting to trade and invest, but just haven't quite taken the leap. Trading is one of those things that I never knew I'd love, but I absolutely love it. And I think anyone you talk to that is in the market and has learned, not even that has learned yet, but anyone who's started this journey, they love what they do. And I think that's important in a supportive community. We have so much fun trading. It's ridiculous. So trading is the thing I never knew I'd love, but I absolutely love it. And now I have tools that I can access at any time to make money for my family. And so I absolutely love it. And so I just want to share that tidbit.
Thank you so much, Diva. Kim, you're looking like all around, but guess what? We can see you looking from the left. We can see you looking up and down, and because the camera is on, okay, and we're live. Who wants to go next?
I will go. I'm speaking from a new trader's perspective to the new traders. Is just stay persistent, stay consistent, get your trainings in every opportunity you have. You have no life anymore. You have trading as your life. So all the TV shows that you once watched, all the outings that you used to do, you are now a full-time trader. So you have to study and show yourself approved to make this money and let the money work for you. So I am in that process right now. I'm talking to myself. So it is a process. Trust the process because it's definitely a way out of all of your debt.
I think that's a beautiful way to put it, because a lot of times people want to trade and they think, oh, it's the lottery. I just got to scratch these numbers and it's going to come off. And they don't understand that it does require discipline and skill. So thank you for being transparent about that. You know, we do have to be disciplined in order to learn a skill, and you do have to make some sacrifices, right? But, you know, I'm not making these sacrifices for today. I'm making them for tomorrow. Which is a beautiful, 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 beautiful thing, because I do live one of those life where I do whatever I want to do. And that's priceless, right? So we make sacrifices now so you can do whatever you want to do later. Thank you so much for those words of wisdom. Kim is golden. Love you. Thanks. Brother Isaiah, is there anything you wanted to say to our new traders before we go ahead and sign off today?
Sure. I would say focus is paramount, which has pretty much been the thought of the other participants. But while you're focusing, while you're studying, do not become greedy. And I will say that from a personal standpoint. Greed will cost you and take you out of alignment. So it is very, very important while you're in focus to stay in alignment and not become greedy.
Thank you so much for those words of wisdom. I think that what he said is really, really important. A lot of people get in trouble for being greedy in these markets, okay? And that is not something you want to be. You want to definitely make sure that you're using proper risk management. But here's the thing. Once you start learning how to trade and you can make the profit, it is so hard for you not to be greedy, because it's really hard. So it takes a lot of humility and discipline and a couple of blown accounts. You're going to blow some accounts, okay? You don't get no rite of passage around here until you blow a couple of accounts. So that is going to happen. But even when you do that, fund that account and start over again. You don't have to fund it by the thousands, but fund it with something small and start over again, okay? So our desire for you all is that you would be consistent and profitable traders. I hope you guys had a great time on the Breakfast Club. Thank you, as always, for joining us, and we hope to see you again soon. We will not be on tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a private session with Aisha for HFX, but we will be on again Thursday. Have a great week, guys. Know the market is going to be volatile starting tomorrow. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. And don't overtrade. Bye.